Hi everyone, myself Jyoti Prasad from RMD Engineering College. We are going to discuss about engineer as a social experimenter in this particular video. So we have two types of experimentation: normal engineering experimentation and social experimentation. So we will see the similarities between engineering experimenting and social standard experimenting. Normal, you might have seen the standard experiments in the laboratories, etc. Whatever the motive of that experiments, with comparison with the engineering experimentation, both are different or similar. In aspect, which aspects both are similar, in which aspects they differ, we are going to see in this video. See, partial ignorance. The first similarities, we are going to check about similarities. So there may be variations in structure, results failures. So it is not possible to collect data on all variations. So standard experiment similarities. This is the first similarity. Uncertainty. Coming to uncertainty, the final outcome of a project is also uncertain. So, for example, an engineering project we are taking, we are testing a particular product that that may be going to success, or that may going to be failure. The result is uncertain. In the standard experiment also, the results may be certain or uncertain. That is the similarities. Coming to the other similarities, continuous monitoring. So whenever we are designing engineering product, continuously we should monitor about that project. So in the first phase, second phase, we have already seen a design, manufacturing, testing, the flow diagram. So in that, continuously we should monitor. So the same type of monitoring we do in the standard experiment also. Learning from the past, what we have said in the previous point. So we are continuously monitoring, right, in the step by step, learning from the past experience. So previously we have designed, what are the mistakes in the previous design that we are going to overcome in the present design. So those mistakes we will learn from the past design. So that experience maybe belongs to that engineer or other engineers. For example, another engineer did a mistake regarding a design. So that type of mistakes can be studied as an examples, and we can also overcome that mistakes in our project. So we are going to see the differences, contrasts. What is the difference between standard experiment and engineering experiment? The differences are contrasts. First one is experiment control. So see, the experiment control is nothing but, so the practice is adapted in the field of medicine. So what is going to happen means, we are going to do experiment control means the engineering through random sampling surveying is made from among the users. For example, we are doing a we are testing a medicine, on particular patient. So the experimental control will be different from that case to normal standard experiment. There all the subjects are normal, any uh, earlier the subjects are normal, any material. Here, but here engineering experiment, the subjects may be humans, whichever used by humans also. So the particular medicine may be used by humans, tested by humans, tested on the humans also. Informed consent. See what I have already earlier told in the previous point. Informed consent means while we are doing an engineering social experimentation, no need of any consent from the others. Why? Because our subjects are materials only. Here in the engineering experimentation, sometimes the subject may be humans. Like I said, whoever the using that material is humans, or whoever you are testing that material, whatever the testing material on the human. So, like I said, the medical practice, moral, legal rights have been recognized. So we should get consent or permission from the particular subject or human beings. So if we see the consent, it will be in two types of aspect: knowledge and volunteerness. So the particular subject is nothing but that human being who is going to be involved in that process. He should know about entire thing, entire knowledge. Then only he should proceed. Without knowledge, by force or anything, he should not be continue. So he should know about all the project, and then he should proceed. Volunteerness, like I said, so he should come on his own. we should not provoke, we should not attract him by giving money, or we should not threaten him. Okay, so voluntarily he has to contribute, and mm, it should benefit. The rights are movements. For a valid consent, the following conditions should be fulfilled. Like previously said, consent must be a voluntary. All relevant information should be presented. That is a knowledge aspect we have already discussed. Consenter shall be capable of processing information and make relation decisions. So we know. So we should not take the subject any human beings, not any human beings. For example, you are testing a medicine on particular guy. Okay, so he should able to withheld that. For example, I am testing a medicine on a old fellow. He is not able to withheld that, then it is useless. The consenter shall be capable of processing information and make rational decisions. The subject consent may be offered in proxy by group of representatives like subjects. So like we said, the similarity is also there, and the contrast also there for the comparison between the standard experiment and the engineering experiment. So thank you.